everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have an auto circuit tester. Now, I do have a few of these already. I have one right here, one right here. This one is mine. This was my father-in-law. Had them for a very long time, but I got this one because, once again, it was a deal, and I want to get something new and different and a little bit upgraded. So this one actually has a digital reader on there. So let's go ahead and open the box. And this looks very cool and very, very updated. Alright, you guys, so right beside all my old ones, it looks like we have a fancy one. I told y'all it's time to upgrade the toolbox. Oh, I can't throw all of it away because we have other connectors here. Alright, put the old ones to the side right now. This is our main focus. Now, here we go. Brand name is AWBLIN. AWBLIN. At least I think that's the brand name. Okay. There we go. Have the metal tester right there. You have clip on, which is hard. Yeah. Very hard right there. And then they have a skinny one, which is very easy. But this one is hard to grip. And right here, look like it connects in there. Alright, you guys, and they give you a little manual with all the specifications. I will take a photo and post this for y'all so it could be clear and easy for you to read. Yeah, so basically if you want to test out the voltage on here, we could do that real quick. Yeah, so basically this is just a simple tester, but the beauty of this is it is digital. Okay, the other testers here, they just light up and that's it. It also has a plus and negative. Pretty much green is go. Green means that the circuit connection is normal. One of my toughest things to do was to pull this thing down. It keeps slipping out. So I don't know if that may be a defect, but it is hard to open. Like, you need two hands to open this, and you shouldn't need two hands. This thing is hard and it keeps slipping. So it should be back here, but you see that? So every time you pull to try to open, it slips right on out, and then it's hard to squeeze. Well, you see that? Slips right on out. So they said let's test the integrity of the product. Now that's easy. You see that? So easy. But when you got it in here, it's slippery. But anyways, let's test the integrity of the product. So they said put the alligator clip on the negative, and then put the other alligator clip on the positive, and then we're going to test out our battery and the product's integrity. Oh, and then it comes right on. 12.3. Just in case you don't know, another way you can test out your battery is to put the alligator clip on the positive terminal, in which this thing is nerve-wracking to get on. Alright, then you look for a ground. Alright, so you just look around, see if you can find a ground somewhere, and there you go. Once you find a ground, then you can get your reading, and then right there you got 12 volts right there. So that's one way to test your battery. So this is good just so you can test your battery somewhere, and we know that's metal right here, so that's a ground. Alright, so just look for the ground in your car just in case you can't find any metal. All right, you guys, we are having fun today. All right, so I have my dead battery right here, and we are going on the negative and positive. This one is reading 10.3 right there. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but just believe what I'm saying. So this says 10.3. That's it, and let me wrap up this review. Coming down to the final review of this tester right here, and I actually like this tester. Got a little protector right there. And the only down for me is this daggone alligator clip that if I touch it too far down, it definitely comes up. So you have to actually make sure you get it right there on the spot. And it is very hard. So if you're giving this to somebody that is, you know, have a hard time squeezing with their hand, and this will definitely give them a challenge, okay? I'm just giving you the heads up on that. But other than that, this thing is awesome. They gave you this connector here. I don't know what it's for, but they gave it to you. And then they gave you the other alligator clip to clip on. So if you don't want to just hold this on to whatever, you can go ahead and slide this in. And there you go, 2 alligator clips. This one is easy, just to let y'all know. Very easy to open and close, but this one here is a challenge. And other than that, I just want to let you know that I am not an electrician, okay? But doing basic electrical work on my car, yes, I'm fine with that. Any other comments, questions, concerns, I will just be putting this up for now. So like, comment, share, and subscribe.